Demo tayo ng left side ng ham leg. So yung MB o frozen. Steel. Pwede lahat ng side.
May nilok po.
Nilok wala. So yan, ito yung buto niya. Pag ham leg, wala na yung pinaka-ano dulo niya. Ito, dahil wala kang makakakita, using tayo ng oblique. Ito lang yung lagi yung joint niya. Push and pull. Then, dito lang yung gain. Diretso mo lang dito dahil may sila naman. Automatic, ayun yung joint. Lapit mo. Ayun yung joint. Pag nakita mo yan, sweep to dagger, bangga, then make a letter C. Then automatic, you can see the joint and the bones will separate. And this is your pigtail, pelvic, hip bone, H bone. Then, get the leg, hind up. From here, 1 inch allowance, then slide your knife, stand, then, make a letter C. Hindi na mo ng konti, naubusan na. Then, ayun yung joint. Ikot mo lang, then make a little push, then this is your hind half. Now, we can get the bone marrow. Hawakan mo lang to, angat, para makita mo yung ball point. Then, start your knife. 1. Then, tayo. 2. May layer yan kung saan lalayo. Then 3, 2. Then push, hold. Hawak tagumpay. Then push and pull. And that's your left side. Ay, cut mo. Okay, kailangan gawin mo pala. Mamaya.
Cut ko muna, sir.
Pangalawa.